There are two sorts of living thing in the world, animals and plants. Animals are
humans like ourselves,
horses and cows,
dogs,
birds and fish,
insects,
and many other kinds. Plants include
trees,
grass,
mushrooms and seaweed,
moss,
down to tiny lichens. Trees are the largest living things,
bigger than elephants,
and they live longer too. Plants and animals both need food to live, but animals have to go out and find theirs. Cows and horses need to walk to the grass, bite it off and chew it.
but plants have to stay in one place.
they get their food from the air and the rain and sunshine.
And their roots send water and useful minerals up from the soil.
water and minerals they need.
The leaves are like thousands and thousands of tiny factories. They gather the sun and rain from above and the water and minerals from the roots and turn it all into plant food which courses about the tree, making it grow. Then the leaves fall off, lie on the ground and rot, returning unused nutrients to the soil. Trees are useful.
They give shelter in winter and shade in summer.
They're a home for lots of animals,
Deer,
badgers and foxes,
Rabbits, hedgehogs and mice.
as well as birds that nest in the branches and find things to eat.
Other plants rely on trees too. Ferns and mosses, foxgloves and mushrooms and bluebells need to live in the shade. These plants all support other life too. Trees are useful to us too. When they are big enough, trees can be cut down or felled. The wood is used
To build houses,
to make furniture and all sorts of things.
axe handles for instance.
Pencils?
We burn wood to keep warm and in power stations.
We burn wood for fuel.
paper and cardboard are made from wood, so every book or paper you read has been made from a tree. Years ago, 2 men would have felled the tree with a long saw. Now a huge machine called a harvester, which you see here, is able to grasp the tree, cut it down, then swing the big tree up in the air to strip all the branches off. Next it cuts the trunk into lengths ready to load on the lorry. The timber goes to the sawmill where it is cut up into planks, whatever shape is wanted. Here you see piles of planks drying. When they are dry, they will go to make somebody's new house.
Trees give us food.
Like apples and cherries and nuts,
Chocolate,
Ginger and licorice.
Coca-Cola and maple syrup.
Weevils eat acorns.
Some of the loveliest places owe their beauty to trees and woods. You can ride bikes, walk and camp in the woods, enjoy yourself and learn about the wild creatures and plants.
Trees are beautiful.
Let's find out about some trees now. Where shall we start? Maybe you recognise this leaf with the wavy edges and lobes all round. It's from an oak tree, one of our biggest and longest living trees. They were used to build ships for war and beams for castles and strong doors to keep enemies out. This is the oak tree's seed. An acorn looks like an egg in an egg cup. A long time ago, people used to drive their pigs into the forest to grow fat on the acorns under the tree. The bark of an oak tree is rough and furrowed like old rope. It makes a home for all sorts of moths and mites. An oak tree like this will be supporting up to 300 different kinds of animal or plant life.